In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, view, and download your tax documents in the Robinhood app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what each document means so you can file confidently and keep accurate records. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone. On the main screen, look to the bottom right and tap the account icon, the one that looks like a person. This takes you to your account area where you manage settings, statements, and other essentials. From here, head to the top left and tap the menu button, represented by 3 horizontal bars. This opens a list of options related to your account and activity. Next, choose Reports and Statements. Depending on your version of the app, you may also see a Tax Center option further down the menu. Either route will take you to the same place for the documents you need. Once you're in the tax area, look for the current tax year. If you're filing soon, it might show something like 2025. Under that year, you'll see a list of available tax forms. Tap the one that matches what you're looking for. Here's what those forms mean in plain language. The Consolidated 1099 covers taxable activity for stocks and ETFs and typically includes forms like 1099 DIV for dividends, 1099 INT for interest, and 1099B for sales. If you traded crypto, you'll look for the 1099 DA, which summarizes digital asset transactions. And if you moved money out of a retirement account, the 1099R reports those distributions. If you're unsure which one you need, think about what you did during the year. Investing in stocks, trading crypto, or taking money from a retirement account. After you tap a document, it will open as a PDF. You can review it on screen to confirm details like your name and the tax year. Use the app's Share or Download button to save a copy to your device, cloud storage, or send it securely to your tax preparer. If you have a printer set up, you can print directly from your phone for physical records. Keeping a downloaded PDF is a smart move in case you need to reference it later. A quick timing note, tax documents are usually released by mid-February each year. If you don't see your forms yet, check back closer to that time. Also, forms can occasionally be corrected after the initial release, so it's wise to download the latest version before you file. This walkthrough is for general guidance only. For specific tax questions, consult a qualified professional.